Jake Ludington here at HP Discover, and I'm here with Shari Cravens. And ExpertOne is HP's kind of training and certification program for HP technologies and
right.
and even more broadly than that. How does that fit into the partner ecosystem?
Yeah, so ExpertOne's a huge part of the partner ecosystem. So we work very closely with partners on training and certification so that they can be part of the HP Partner One program. And we span the entire HP ecosystem, so all the way from printing and personal systems through software.
So what is it that partners get as a benefit out of ExpertOne?
So they get knowledge, number one, right? So we're very focused, especially this year, on driving a whole new set of training materials that are focused on the new style of IT and really focusing on the new HP innovation. So HP Helion, cloud, software-defined networking, 3PAR store serve, all of those are part of a new set of training, new set of sales certifications, but also a really streamlined set of technical certifications.
Okay, and for the partners, because I've kind of looked at probably more of the customer-facing view of ExpertOne. How is the customer-facing view different than the partner view?
So we give our partners a little bit more information, right? Because we want them to be very close to our own sales force. And in fact, for the last year, we've been providing partners with a lot of the same materials our own sales force gets, so that they get the very latest knowledge, so that when they're sitting in front of the customer, they've got the very latest information on how to design, sell, qualify, close more big deals, and then also design and architect solutions, right? So one way to think about that is with My ExpertOne, which is a brand new tool we just developed. It's a personalized learning portal, and partners or customers can log in and design their own personalized learning path, whether they're a salesperson or a technical person. They can choose from 14 different area of interests all across HP solutions, and they can really design their own future. And so for partners, we give them slightly different content. It's really tuned for them, much more insider, and then for customers, they get the content they need. It's very tuned for them.
And you may have already answered this a little bit, but obviously partners are required to be certified to be partners, but beyond the requirement of certification, what is it about ExpertOne that really kind of adds value for the partner?
So a couple things we're really proud of. Number one, CIO Magazine just named HP to its list of 18 hot IT certifications for 2014. So they didn't just name one certification from HP, they named our entire ASE and Master ASE portfolio, which is pretty cool. And it's because of the increasing demand they're seeing for certifications in the market. So one of the things that partners get is really that sense of credibility. Walking in the door with an HP certification means they've been through the right training, they have the right knowledge to be sitting in front of the customer. I mean, a lot of these guys are obviously experts on their own, but we need to make sure they're empowered with the right HP knowledge, right? And then the second thing they get is some definite benefits as being an HP certified partner. So for instance, our Master ASEs get VIP support. So what that means is they can actually bypass level 1 support and then go to very senior HP product engineers. So that's just giving them a little bit extra so that they can be part of the program and really get the benefits out of it.
And so where is all this going in the future? Where do you see partner certification kind of evolving as ExpertOne evolves?
There's a couple things that we're doing right now, as a matter of fact. So two things. One, our sales certifications. We just delivered a whole new suite of sales certifications that's really designed around the new HP innovation. So again, software-defined networking, cloud, etc. And they're really focused on how partners can identify, qualify, close more new business. We're also working with them to sell at many different levels in the organization through these trainings. The other thing we're doing with technical certifications is really streamlining the technical certs so that they can get their certifications faster, but we're getting them the knowledge they need. We've actually cut the number of training days in half. So that means that their cost and time out of office is reduced by up to 50%.